Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Printify onto your Shopify website. So once you've logged in onto your Printify and then you're on your dashboard, you'd want to press on this, My New Store, and then just click on this, Not Connected. Oh, whoops, sorry, I meant Manage My Stores. And then press on Connect, and then press on Shopify. And then it'll ask you for our Shopify shop URL. You can get that by going onto your Shopify dashboard here once you've logged in as well. From here, go down on the left-hand side here with the gear icon, Settings. Let's click on that. And then click on Domains, and then click this. This is the primary for our online store. Now just copy and paste this link here, copy. Let's get back. Let's paste that link in, and then let's connect. Wait for it to load. In a second, it'll redirect you back onto Shopify, and it'll prompt you to install the app. Now that you'll be prompted to install the app, you can see that it can access our personal data, and it can also view and edit the store data. No problem. Let's just install. Great. Now your Shopify shop is now connected onto Printify.